Just give me the cheese, I'll make you smoke it, yo. Smoke it, yo. It'll make you please, so don't provoke it, yo. Smoke it, yo. We don't need no space, so we're not gonna coke it, yo. Smoke it, yo. So to minor tease, we gotta take it slow. So when the city be floating, don't provoke him. Got the weed where we smoking, need to soak him. Best thing for the meditation, and the best high grade at Jamaican. We wanna weed with supporting and promoting. Loud the crack and the coking, hear me shouting. Herbal healing at the nation, legalize it right now. We publish one every day. We be burning, not concerning what nobody wanna say. We be earning dollars, turning, cause we minded how we say. Some got gold and oil and diamonds, all we got is every day. Legalize it, time to recognize it. This purple hazy make me crazy, make me right now soon, and that's what pays me. But I'm not the only occupation, going to get so make I give you education. When a farmer grows it, he knows it flows with the economical benefit, helping those who have it. They up on the hard juggling, cause the system money keep man struggling. So the young people are use it, don't abuse.